Hey guys, welcome back to Larks. Today we have an unboxing from thecubicle.com. So in here should be 2 cubes and some stickers. So let's get in. I guess I'll do that. So here we have the Little Magic Square 1M, the Ocean Cloud 5x5, application tape and a sticker peeler, seat, pyramid stickers, and 3x3 stickers. So let me put these stickers off to the side. First, let's get into this 5x5, the Ocean Cloud 5x5. So, I don't have a box collection, so who cares? Nice pamphlet. Okay, let's get onto the cube. This is definitely already my new main. Well, maybe. I don't know. It's probably going to be my main after breaking it in. Right now it's really sandy and tight. It's really tight. Like corner cutting, not quite a piece, half a piece. So next we have the Little Magic Square 1M. So let me figure out how to get this box open. Ah, there we go. So we have a pamphlet, probably how to solve square one, no one cares. And so it's really good. It's pretty sandy. The magnets are perfect strength for this cube, and really good. It's like really fast too. Like I can do like some pretty long moves. But yeah, so that's all for today's unboxing. See y'all next time.